You're a machine.
Don't know about that. You gotta bear with me, my throat. I've got a bad little elbow in the windpipe.
Oh, right.
Ashley, many smiling faces around the place here from the Welsh camp.
Yeah, tired bodies as well. It was the result that we wanted. It was a very difficult game, but you know, it just shows that we can win in different ways, and we stuck to the task. Great goal, what a main man again, and yeah, we're kind of halfway there now in what we wanted to achieve this week.
Physically, how demanding was that game tonight?
Yeah, it was a tough one. Obviously, with the temperature, the way the game went, we had to dig in a lot. A lot of people got knocks and stuff, so yeah, we were a little bit wounded. But you know, all the guys will work on us, you know, in the small space of time that we got, and then just get right. Now we're just fully focused on getting our bodies to where they need to be for the Israel game.
And it says about the depth of the squad as well. Injuries. James Chester, Joe Ledley pulling out, Joe Allen, but the players always come in, always do a job.
Yeah, it's funny. Everyone that comes in, it always does an unbelievable job, and the team's never weakened. I thought, in particular, Kingy and David was magnificent tonight. You know, just sitting in there, both attack-minded players, but did a job, defensively. And it's a strength, and that's a strength of ours. You know, that whoever plays in the squad's so together. You know, we don't feel like, such and such is out. Obviously, those guys that don't play are a big miss, but when the people that come in do such an unbelievable job like that, it doesn't matter too much.
What more can you say about the main man, Bale?
Yeah, he didn't have his best game, up to his standard, and a lot of things didn't go for him. And he can't be perfect all the time, but unbelievable. I don't think anyone else in the squad would have scored that. He jumped so high. And, when he's on the pitch, he can always do that for you.
And Israel now on Sunday, hopefully a historic night.
Hopefully, yeah, that's what we've worked so hard for over the last few years. There's going to be a lot going on when we get back to Wales, I'm sure. In the meantime, but it's just about staying focused. And as I say, and as I said straight after the game, it isn't done yet. So until it is done, then that's when we'll celebrate.
The fans tonight were superb. They've been superb throughout the campaign, but to do it in Cardiff in front of the home fans, it's got to be an added incentive, I'd imagine. Yeah, definitely. We would like to do it at home. I thought they were unbelievable. Support again tonight, made a lot of noise. They paid their money, come out here, and they really backed us. And we needed it at times. Again tonight was one of them. And I even heard my name being said. So there you go. But that's the thing. For you personally, what will it mean to hopefully secure qualification on Sunday?
I said before, it'd be my proudest achievement. To lead this unbelievable group of lads to France, and it's still the same. I think. You can't help but think about the final whistle going on Sunday and winning, and that'll drive us on a little bit more, and I'm sure we'll enjoy it if and when that happens. Cheers, guys.